Welcome to Wealth Builders Wisdom, where we decode the secrets of financial success and unlock the doors to wealth creation. Today, we're delving deep into the world of strategic investments, revealing how the right choices can catapult your wealth to new heights. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could redefine your financial future? Stay tuned, as this episode is packed with insights and strategies that every aspiring wealth builder needs to know. Part 1: The evolving landscape of investment opportunities. In the ever-changing world of finance, understanding the dynamics of investment opportunities is crucial. Let's explore some key trends reshaping the investment landscape. First, we look at the energy transition, focusing on companies at the forefront of this revolution, like those in the electric vehicle sector. Then, we dive into the realm of artificial intelligence, a field teeming with potential. But it's not all about tech. We also explore the importance of investing in industrials and the power of enduring brands, which thrive on customer loyalty and unique offerings. In the dynamic realm of investments, change is the only constant. Today's marketplace is a mosaic of evolving opportunities, each with its unique potential. We start by unraveling the intricacies of the energy transition. It's not just about who's making electric vehicles. It's about understanding the entire ecosystem, from battery manufacturers to charging infrastructure. Then, there's the enigmatic world of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword. It's reshaping industries and creating new investment frontiers. We don't stop there. We also delve into the world of industrials, unearthing opportunities beyond the glitter of tech. And, let's not forget the power of enduring brands. Companies that have woven themselves into the fabric of consumer loyalty and continue to innovate to stay relevant. Part 2: Spotlight on top investments. Today, we're revealing some top investment picks that are making waves in the market. First on our list is Mercado Libre Inc., a powerhouse in the e-commerce world. With a staggering valuation and a significant shareholding, this company exemplifies the potential of the e-commerce sector, particularly in Latin America. Its journey from a nascent online platform to a dominant force in the market is a story of resilience, innovation, and strategic growth. In our spotlight today, we have companies that are not just surviving but thriving in these sectors. Take Mercado Libre, for instance. This isn't just another e-commerce player. It's a pioneer that has revolutionized shopping in Latin America. We'll dissect its journey, strategies, and what makes it a darling of investors. Then there's NVIDIA, a name synonymous with cutting-edge technology. We'll explore how NVIDIA's leaps in AI and computing are reshaping the tech landscape. And of course, Tesla, the company that has become the poster child for electric vehicles. We'll dive into Tesla's strategy, its challenges, and why it continues to captivate investors' imaginations. If you're enjoying this deep dive into strategic investments and want to stay updated with the latest in wealth building, don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom. We're here to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Continuation of Spotlight on Investments. Next, let's discuss NVIDIA Inc., a giant in the tech world and a major player in AI and computing technologies. NVIDIA's financial performance and market leadership paint a picture of a company poised for continued success. And then there's Tesla Inc., a name synonymous with innovation in the electric vehicle industry. Despite recent market fluctuations, Tesla's diverse business model and forward-thinking approach make it a compelling choice for investors. Our journey through the investment landscape takes us deeper into these companies' strategies. For Mercado Libre, we're looking at how its digital payment system, Mercado Pago, revolutionized online transactions, paving the way for a comprehensive ecosystem that connects buyers and sellers. NVIDIA's story is equally fascinating, from its dominance in gaming to becoming a key player in AI and data centers. And Tesla, with its bold vision, has not only led the electric vehicle revolution but also ventured into energy solutions, pushing the boundaries of what a car company can be. Part 3: Analyzing investment strategies. In the world of investments, understanding the strategies behind these powerhouse companies is key. We'll delve into the factors that make these companies attractive to investors, from their robust operational performances to their strategic positioning in emerging markets and sectors. We'll analyze how these companies have navigated challenges and seized opportunities to grow and thrive. In this segment, we decode the investment strategies behind these powerhouses. We'll analyze the market trends they're capitalizing on, their business models, and their potential for future growth. What makes these companies stand out in their respective fields? How do they balance innovation with profitability? These are the questions we'll answer, providing you with a blueprint to understand and potentially replicate their success in your investment endeavors. Part 4: The Future of Investing. As we look to the future, it's clear that the investment landscape is constantly evolving. Staying ahead means being informed, adaptable, and strategic. We'll discuss what these trends mean for you as an investor and how you can leverage this knowledge to build your wealth. As we gaze into the crystal ball of investing, it's evident that the future is laden with both challenges and opportunities. We'll discuss emerging trends, the potential impact of global economic shifts, and how these could affect your investment decisions. Understanding where the world is heading is key to positioning your portfolio for success. We're not just talking about following trends. We're talking about foreseeing and capitalizing on them. Let's take a deeper dive into the ever-evolving market dynamics. Understanding the market's pulse is like having a sixth sense in the investment world. It's about grasping the subtle shifts in consumer behavior, technological advancements, and economic trends. For instance, the rise of remote work has not only changed how we live but also where we invest. This shift impacts everything from real estate markets to technology infrastructure. Similarly, the increasing awareness of sustainability is driving investments in green technology and renewable energy. These are the tides that savvy investors ride to success. Analysis of investment risks and rewards. Now, let's balance our excitement with a dose of reality, analyzing the risks and rewards. Every investment opportunity comes with its set of challenges. For Mercado Libre, navigating the complexities of different national regulations in Latin America is a hurdle. For Nvidia, staying ahead in the fiercely competitive tech industry is key. And for Tesla, scaling production while maintaining quality and innovating in a rapidly evolving industry is crucial. Understanding these risks helps you make informed decisions, weighing potential rewards against possible pitfalls. So, if you found today's episode insightful and inspiring, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us grow and bring more valuable content to you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and join our community of forward-thinking investors. Together, let's build a future of wealth and financial freedom. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep building your wealth, one smart investment at a time.